Okay, so hi dear Cancer, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal of reading for all the Cancer Sun Moon Venus rising from 19 till the 25th of January 2026. Roles can be reversed also. Please keep that in mind. And what else? It's journal, so it might or might not resonate. Okay. Okay. For personal reading, healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below for the same. For tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono Master Class 2, links are given below. So let's see, Cancer, your current energies regarding your love and relationship area. Let's see what we have. We have the Seven of Pentacles, Six of Wands, King of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Wands. There's a lot of passion, there's a lot of fire, there's a lot of desire to do something in a particular direction. But you guys are right now in this waiting and watching kind of a mode. Waiting and watching and hoping for something or someone to show up in your life exactly the way you want it to be so that you guys can go ahead. Ten of Wands is the bottom of at the bottom of the deck. It's like weighing you down. This waiting and watching and hoping for the best kind of outcome in a particular situation is actually weighing you down. It's draining your energies. The more you are trying to somehow fix something, or the more you are trying to give some kind of pace or direction to a situation, the more it's going down and down and down. And then there's nothing left from your side to do, or apart from waiting and watching and hoping for something to work out in your favor, or hoping for something to work out exactly the way you want it to work out. Okay, so it's like this desire, this passion, this attraction, this pull towards something or someone, and at the same time this energy of waiting and watching and hoping for something to happen. Okay, it's actually heavy. Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Cancer. Five of Pentacles. This person is feeling left out in the cold. They are feeling like they're hurt. They're like a wounded person, wounded and hurt. Okay. Wow. Let's clarify the Five of Pentacles here. They're feeling a loss, feeling certain kind of loss here. We have the Eight of Swords, Three of Wands, and the Nine of Pentacles. Yes, this person is continuously overthinking, not able to think straight in this situation. They feel like, okay, whatever happened. They have to keep moving ahead in their life, and they have to focus on their individual growth and success and happiness, because they're not getting anything good out of this situation, out of this bond, out of this connection. So what's the use of even waiting for this situation to improve, because it's never going to improve anyways. Okay, so all this person is feeling about the situation is negativity, feeling lost and confused and hurt, and they feel like they have to keep moving forward in their life and focus on their individual growth and success and happiness. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? Judgment. From your side, you feel like forgiving and forgetting and moving ahead. Maybe you feel like giving another shot to a situation that ended at some point of time. Okay, maybe. Okay, let's clarify this judgment. There is something regarding a situation that's not the same anymore. Okay, but you are feeling like, okay, let's give it another chance or another shot, maybe. Mm-hmm. Let's see, honey. Cancer. We have the Lovers, the Knight of Wands, the Temperance. Okay, so you feel a strong attraction, a strong pull towards someone. There's a lot of fire, lot of passion, lot of desire to make certain things happen in a particular situation. Maybe something happened and you guys but not talking to each other. But now you are feeling a lot of passion, a lot of attraction and pull towards a particular person and situation, and you feel like healing the situation between you and them, bringing something back to life, something that was dead, something that's dead, something that's not there anymore, maybe in the physical world. But you feel like you guys have to bring it back together and heal it with love, with patience, with forgiveness and compassion. Okay, cool. Maybe some of you, it's possible that you connected with somebody and you realized that person, that energy is not for you, and you're letting them go. That is why they're feeling left out in the cold. And now you're realizing that you are meant to or supposed to be with someone, and now your passion is reignited, your feelings are all over the place, like in the sense that they are not balanced, they are not stable right now. Cool, they are all fiery and fiercey and passionate and whatnot. Wow. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Ace of Cups. Somebody's intention here is to have a brand new beginning here. This is somebody new, maybe, that wants to, who is very interested in you and you are not. Let's see, let's clarify. You are confusing the shit out of me, Cancer. Let's see. We have the Six of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, and the Justice. This is someone, I don't know if it's a totally new person or somebody that you are already dealing with. They want to have a brand new beginning in their life that might or might not include you. It's like they want to keep moving forward towards calmer water, finding a peaceful resolution for their own life, and doing justice with themselves. So they want to keep moving forward in their life towards new people, new connections, new bonds, new situations, whether it's totally new or reconnection or reconciliation or something. So this person wants to do justice with themselves, and they want to do everything right in their life so that they can move towards a brand new beginning with or without you. Okay, cool. So this is the same energy that you're leaving behind, and now they want justice with their life. Now they want to live their life to the fullest according to the law of karma, the law of justice, or whatever you call it. Okay, let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? Queen of Pentacles. You want to handle this situation with a lot of practicality, compassionate, practical, mature, and grounded kind of energy. Let's clarify the Queen of Pentacles here. We have the Ace of Wands, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Nine of Swords. The good thing here is that you just don't want to operate on the passion, on the desire, on the feelings of going forward towards someone and making shit happen. You want to make things happen in a very practical, grounded, stable, and mature way. You don't want to create any kind of mess, any kind of stressful and anxious kind of energies around the situation anymore. Maybe you have tried this passionate energy before as well, and everything fell apart, and now you want to handle the situation with a lot of care, compassion, and with a lot of practicality. Like, okay, I am passionate, I want it, but I want to do it in a gentle, mature, and grounded and stable kind of way. I don't want to create mess in the situation anymore. That's your deal. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the 25th of January. Seven of Cups. It's like a lot of things to do, a lot of confusion in a particular direction. Okay, a lot is happening emotionally. and it's going to overwhelm you a little bit. Let's clarify the Seven of Cups here as a potential outcome for you guys, Cancer. We have the Three of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles, the Queen of Wands. This coming together, coming back together, is not going to happen the way you want it to happen. It's going to confuse the hell out of you. It's going to confuse the hell out of the other person. There is going to be a lot of people, situations, or things on both the sides that you guys have to deal with before you guys are going to come forward and make shit happen between you guys. It's like a manifestation in process. Okay, you are manifesting for a connection, for a bond to come together, come back together, and to heal it and to make shit happen, make this collaboration partnership work out in a beautiful way. It's like wishful thinking. I wish this could happen, that could happen. But when I have to literally do it, when I have to literally walk on that path of making something happen, I don't know how to do that, because the other energy is also involved. So I can do my part only, but I don't know what the other energy is up to, or if they are interested, or if they are ready, or if they are dealing with other people too. One of you is definitely keeping your options open, and that is why things are very, very complicated and messier here. Because even if one of you want to make things happen, the other person is might be dealing with a lot of other energies too, romantic or otherwise, and that is creating a lot of blockages, a lot of slowness and delays for this coming together, coming back together to happen. You're not giving up, you are not giving up, but this ain't happening, at least for this week. It's just manifestation in the process, and a lot is happening, but you guys are not able to clear the path for this thing to happen in a proper way. Okay, emotional confusion, emotional thinking, a lot of overwhelming energies, but nothing concrete as of now. Let's see the guidance here, Cancer. We have the Emperor, Two of Pentacles, and the Five of Cups. Yeah, there's a lot of chaos and conflict and on and off, in and out, up in there kind of energy in a situation, and you're trying to keep it all together. You're trying your best to put on this mask or put on this facade of, yeah, everything is fine, everything is good. These things happen. You guys, I should not make a mess about it. I should just keep it together. But from inside, your soul is crying to come out. Your soul is crying for clarity. Your soul is trying to understand what the hell is happening and why this person is trying to sabotage or suppress the emotions, the feelings that are actually required to be released so that you can do something about a situation in a proper way. So you're trying to be all practical, logical, stable, grounded here, but your soul is waiting you to connect with your heart and feel the feelings and let it all come out, so that you can actually be free and actually be available to do something that you want to achieve in this area of your life. So instead of faking it that everything is fine, I got my shit together and I am fine and all that shit, try to connect with your heart and feel the feelings. If you are feeling sad, depressed, you are allowed to feel anything on this planet Earth. You are not allowed to sabotage and suppress. That's why it becomes trauma when we sabotage and suppress. So instead of suppressing, instead of sabotaging, right, the situation, the feelings, let them come out. Maybe not in front of the whole world, maybe in front of the right person, right energy, maybe in front of yourself. Sit in front of the mirror and cry it all out, like feel the feelings deeply so that they can be properly healed and released. Okay, period. Be a child. Actually, we all are supposed to be child only for the rest of our lives the moment we took birth, but anyways. Okay, so thank you. Okay, so let me answer one of your questions related to this particular area of your life, Cancer. This portion also might or might not resonate, honey. If it does, good. If it doesn't, leave this portion behind. Okay, sometimes it is not for you. And I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to get the answer properly. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like to get the proper answer. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise. And I'm going to give you the answer in the next 10 to 15 seconds, and your time starts now. And the answer to your question is unlikely. Unlikely is the unlikely card, while not an absolute no, does suggest that what you're asking about is unlikely to occur. However, it is a classic case of if anything changes, everything could change. The future is fluid, so make some changes and ask again, maybe next week. So, yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.